Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes PC or laptop freezing or hanging. Fix it fast with these 3 easy solutions. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Third method is press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete keys. Click Restart to restart the system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.